Hi everyone, thank you for joining me here once again for another video. So before we get started, I do want to show you the previous painting that I did, which was like the swipe, minimalistic, but I think it turned out beautiful. You saw that I went in and I kind of like drew my lines with my palette knife. And then I touched it up now once it's dry. So I added more color where I thought it needed it. And I'm happy with it. I'm going to go ahead and show you the painting. So here it is. So like I said, very minimalistic, but look at the details. Look how gorgeous. And I love how it just softens up on this end. So look, what do you guys think? Look at the shine that it has from that precious gold that I used to swipe. And if you look closely and as light hits it, you can see how it just shines. So I am very happy. Look how cute. Such a cute painting. I'm very happy with it. Look at that. And I'm going to show you. I'm thinking I'm going to probably frame it. So take a look at this. Gorgeous. I think I'm going to add kind of like a saying. What do you guys think? Any thoughts? Leave a comment in the comment section below. I am super happy with this one. I think it's something very different, but very cute. What do you think, guys? Leave a comment in the comment section below for me, and we are going to go ahead and continue. So we are going to be most likely working on another swipe. We'll see once we get to the canvas, because I might change my mind. But let's go ahead and get started. Meet me down at the canvas. Okay, everyone, so here we are again, and we are working on a 14 by 14 inch canvas. We are going to be doing another swipe. So let me just go ahead, get started, put my gloves on. Okay, so there we are. We are all ready. I am flooding with titanium white by Artist Loft. So this is going to be our base just to help the paint flow. Just a little bit down. I think that's good. All right. We're going to go ahead and torch the bubbles out. So we're going to go ahead, torch these bubbles out. I'm just going to spread it a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay. I'm going to torch one more time. It does have a lot of bubbles. I was shaking it. I am going to go ahead and turn my light above head off just to see if we could get it better, much better. I've been playing around with my lights, guys. Okay, that's good. So I am going to go ahead and work on another swipe. We are using Permanent Blue Violet by Amsterdam. And I'm going to start right over here. Okay. I'm going to do another one right over here. Okay. Good. And I've been thinking, guys, I do need to thicken these paints up. Next color, I'm using Pearl Royal Purple by Arteza. So yeah, I need to thicken these colors up only because I think that's why my colors are just spreading all over the place. I think I need to. So you see, I did invert. So I did the light blue over here on the outer part, on the other side, I did it inside, just alternating. Next color I'm using Permanent Matter Lake by Amsterdam. It's a beautiful, like kind of like a deeper magenta. So we're going to go ahead there and on the inside right here. Okay. Next color I'm using Pearl Rose by Arteza. Okay. And my last color here, I am using 24 karat gold by DecoArt. Okay. Okay, so those are my colors. I am going to be swiping, and I'm a little scared, with the black. So this is Oxide Black by Amsterdam and Australian Floetrol to make my cell activator. I'm going to torch out the bubbles. And I am going to be using my small palette knife. And I'm just thinking, what do I want to do here? Maybe like that. Yeah. Okay. So let's go ahead and get started. We'll see how this turns out. This is a little messy for me, like I mentioned in my previous video, but it is a fun technique to try. So that's why I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to try again and we'll see how it turns out. Okay. So let me think. Do I want to go? Yeah. So I'm going to start right here, very lightly, gently over my colors. Nice and slow, bringing those colors through. Gorgeous, just like that. Oh, and you see what's happening here? I love it. Beautiful. Oh, beautiful reaction here. And I can see my colors. Great. Amazing. I love it. We're going to go ahead again. Just let me cover my palette knife. Okay. And I'm going to come over here and I'm going to bring this one down from here. I did go a little fast on that. I have to remember to take it nice and slow. So that's going to be coming off, so that's okay. I'm going to try. Just a little bit here. There. Okay. And again, just using my knife kind of like a tool to make changes or adjust it where I want it. And before I go ahead and tilt. So I like what I see. Okay. Okay, so I think I like what I see. So what I'm gonna do is, let me just move this to the side. I am gonna just use the palette knife just to spread the paint off a little bit here. I'm just kind of bringing the paint to the corner. Just like that, just to help it a little bit. Okay. Okay. So now we're gonna go ahead and tilt. So I'm gonna think about this. So I'm gonna go this way first. Okay. So let's see where, okay, there is the weight of the paint. So we're gonna go ahead and I wanna take my time with it. So up, bring it back. Over. There. Just gonna go ahead and take it down that way. Okay. Back. Back over. Okay. It's looking good. I want to take it. I'm going to bring it back down to this side. Okay. Perfect. Back over. Over. So I'm bringing the weight of the paint back. And now I'm going towards that corner. Nice and slow. I want to go over to that corner. And I am loving, it feels like I have more control. My cells have not gotten smushed. So they're not they're not distorted. So I am actually happy. So bring it a little more. Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to bring it back to me. Nice and slow. Over a little bit. Okay, so I think I think I want to leave it. I think I'm happy with this composition. And I'm looking at my corners. Everything is nice and covered, fully covered. Beautiful. Let me check this side. Gorgeous. I love it. I love it, guys. Let's see here. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead. Let me just clean my hands real quick. And I am going to see where I want to play around with this. If there's anything I want to do here. I do like what I see. And it's gorgeous. I love all my colors did show up this time around. I'm happy with the way I thought about how I wanted to swipe and what composition I wanted to keep on my canvas. So I am very happy with that. Now, and I don't think I want to do anything to this really. I just want to let it dry. It's gorgeous. I am going to torch a little bit on the sides because I do see bubbles popping through. Just lightly over the painting. It is beautiful. I do have to tell you guys, I love what I see. So yeah, let me bring you in for a close-up. Okay, everyone. So here it is. Look how beautiful it turned out. And I'm gonna look the dark um the pearl permanent violet by Amsterdam creates such a richness. I love it. I'm gonna take you in and look at the cells. You see how they're a little they look a lot better than my last one. They're not as distorted, and this is because I didn't stretch them out all over the place and as fast as I normally do. And look how gorgeous that is. Beautiful. And you can see all the colors I put in there. Gorgeous. Look at the pops of the light pearl purple popping through that dark permanent violet. Gorgeous. Love the rich permanent madder lake here. And look just how beautiful these colors blend together. I love how they bleed one into the other. Gorgeous. The 24 karat gold gives it the nice pop in certain areas. I'm happy. Tell me what you guys think. What do you think about this swipe? What composition do you like? It's gorgeous. Look at that. Love the double strands at the end on the opposite ends of this one. What do you guys think? Give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Tell me how you like this piece. Don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see. I appreciate your support. And guys, until the next one, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for joining me. Bye.